There's a few different ways to create a SmartCert. One of them is to manually create it by selecting the information that's going to be important from a searchability and visibility perspective. You can cut and paste information to enter into any of the fields, knowing you do need at least one field filled out so that you can create a searchable reference to it. Entering this information in, either typing in the information as you need to, if you have it available. You can always go back and edit the data fields as well as add documents. In this example, I'm going to upload my cert from my local drive and click Save. I've now created a SmartCert for a specific part, and I'll be able to search for it on my dashboard with any of the information I've provided here. My document has been uploaded and available here, and I've generated a QR code for the specific part that I can include either in my warehouse or with a customer shipment.